Welcome back to another drawing episode with Khou Aja. Today we draw a unicorn. To start off, we will draw a pin-shaped circle for the eyes. And then two short lines for the eyelashes. Then we will give the shape to the head. From here, we will curve down and right. Then we will curve back up. From the left side, we will draw a curved line across like so. We will do two dots right below the eyes for the nostrils. Now, we will give her pretty hair over here. We will draw a very slim letter S like that. Then one short curve below it. Now we will try to repeat a few more times. There! For the ears, we'll draw a half oval and then one more. And add two tiny lines. Now let's start drawing more hair coming down here. We draw some more letter S curves alongside each other like so. Now for the horn on top. We'll start with a corn and then some curved stripes on it. There, perfect! Now the body and the legs. We draw down. One more on this side. Then the middle. Two short lines to connect the legs. Then two more curves for a hoof. With the body, we go right and then curve up a bit. Some straight lines for more legs. Now we will finish the back and the legs together. We draw right, then we go down with the legs. We will connect the leg and the hoof one more. There. Last part is our tail. We will draw a few curves side by side. and beautiful. To finish off, we will draw some lines for our hair definition. Just make sure you don't miss any. And the tails too. And all done. Wow. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed it. See you in the next episode.